This week on Two Sisters Metal Detecting. Hi, I'm Karen from Two Sisters Metal Detecting, and we have another break in the winter today. Cold weather has kind of given us a little bit of break. We are in the high 40s, low 50s, so we decided to come out and see if we can't clean up the tot lot today. This one is a bigger one, as you can kind of see behind me, and it should be a lot of fun. Let's see what we find. And we have our first surface find for today. And it is a beautiful cross. It did not show up on the detector because it's plastic. But what a nice surface find. Cool, we'll put that in our bag. See what else we can find. First good signal. 4243. Looks like it's right near the surface too. Maybe not. Oh, where'd you go? All right, looks like it's right in here. Right at the bottom down here. Just a little bit deeper. I think I see it. And there it is. It's our first find for today. And it's a shield penny. All right. Okay, we'll put you in our little container with the cross we found earlier. And let's see what else we can find. All right, we got our next signal. It's a 43, 44, 45. Nice solid 45 that way. It looks like it's really small too, maybe a coin. Let's see if our pinpointer can find it. Right here. Oh, looks like it's in the quad here. And that looks like it right there. Well, it's not what I thought it was. It's not a penny. It looks like a rivet off a pair of jeans, I think. All right. Well, one more thing, cleaning the environment. Into the bag for you, and let's find something better. We got another good signal. $35, $36, $37. It's right there, just outside of the playground lot. Where are you hiding? Looks like you're right there. Right in here. And there it is. What are you? Oh, you are a little tiny key. Well, I gotta say, this is the first time I've found a key like this. Let's see if we can... Do we have our brush we could clean it up with? Not with us, but we will get you a picture of it once we get it all cleaned up. How cute is that? Awesome. An adorable little skeleton key. I bet it goes to some little girl's jewelry box. Let's put it in our bag and let's see what else we can get. All right, next signal. Nice strong 26. Looks like it's right there. How about, and I see it right here. And it's not a nickel. It's our first pull tab for the day. All right, into the pouch for you. Clean the environment. Hey, we got another strong 50, 51, 52 signal. Looks like it's right there. All right, let's see what this one is. Love me those high tones. All right. Looks like it's right here. See if we can get this one to pop out. It might be a little bit deeper than the previous one. Oh, there it is. Here's another quarter. Not sure what state that's from. There's George. All right. Into the container with you. There are other finds. Let's see what else we can get. This has been very interesting. We didn't find anything in the area with all the playground equipment, but outside of it has been a rich day for finds today. Next good signal. Nice solid 42. Looks like it's right there. Last time I thought I got a penny, it turned out to be a skeleton key, so you never know what you're gonna get. Well, yeah. It's in, oh, there it is. But this time it is a penny. Awesome. There's Mr. Lincoln. This one's a memorial. We'll get you a date for it once we get it cleaned up. It is just too grungy right now, and we are way too muddy to know what date it is. But it's definitely a memorial penny. So we'll put that in the pouch and see what else we can get. Next signal. Definitely high 40s. 46, 47. Very small signal. It's right here. All right, I think we've narrowed it down where it's at. This one could be a dime, could be a copper penny. Ah, it's in the clod. What could it be? It's in the clod. Well, it's in that half of the clod. Oh, and there it is. And that would be a copper penny. So 1982 and before. And it is a memorial. So after sometime between 1959 or 60 and 1982. All right. Into the pouch for you. And let's go get some more. Next signal. Nice 42. Could be a penny, could be a nice fat gold ring. Let's find out. I just ran out of batteries on my X3. Okay, where did you go? You just disappeared. Oh, the ground's really frozen here. Okay, where do you go? Here in one of these clumps. Okay, here we go. And it's another penny. Another memorial penny. Wow, these are really in bad shape. All right, into the container for you. If I can get it open. A nice little haul today. Considering it is the middle of January, the ground is partially frozen. I think we're doing really, really good with the legend today. A nice 42 right here. Shallow one too. Okay, let's dig it up. Looks like it's right in here. Maybe another penny at 42, 43. Up there it is. All right, one more to add to our collection from today. There's Mr. Lincoln, and it's a shield penny, but the zinc variety. All right, put that back. See if we can't pluck out a few more. A nice solid 44, 45 here. Let's see what we can find. there. Nice 44, 45. Oh, that didn't sound good. But it's in the club. Not that part. I think that's it. Well, sparkly, whatever it is. It's another piece of jewelry, I think. Yep, it's got little stones on it. How cute. Wow, that is what, our third piece of jewelry for today? Nothing precious. Oh, I just knocked one of the little stones out of it. Nothing precious, of course, but it is absolutely adorable. All right, we'll put this in with our other finds from today and see what else we can find. Oh, there's something right there. You can hear just a little chirping. Sun's irony. Oh, there's something blue. Ho ho! Well, that's not what I expected. Oh, wow. Definitely not what I expected. Wow, from a little chirp. Huh. Wow, okay. Well, that is definitely, it looks like a bracelet. Some kind of blue stones on it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Look at that. Wow, that's cool. All right. Well, we'll take it home and clean it up and see what these are. I don't think it's anything precious, but it's certainly cool looking. All right. Well, that is definitely our find for today. Well, it was a fun hour we spent today cleaning up the kids' playground. It was so much fun. We found a very unexpected, very nice piece of jewelry and some other fun stuff. Let's review what we got today. Well, let's slide down to our finds. And today we got 2 quarters, 6 pennies, this cool looking key, this piece of jewelry, this cute little kid's cross, and this amazing bracelet with these blue stones in it. We'll try to figure out what these are and put it in our wrap up for you, so we'll let you know. I'm not sure that they're anything precious, but they sure are cool looking. Well, thank you for watching this episode of Two Sisters Metal Detecting. And don't forget, we're having a giveaway. We're going to give away this CKG bag. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you want to enter to win. We'll see you next time on Two Sisters Metal Detecting. Bye!